Aha Ghana Info TV so and sama etwagu afofra maso ni akase mem Ghana hanum se no ene boabo ni nyina no ne de ababetu bedwasere de edibi adan adofo ene yahwefo nyina no se Ghana Info de ye no yutumra ne ya kire esie en sama trend no eno ni ahwemu no kure no ne de ababedam na ene particular video bi eje ne ho ntre ha awo media no so yintimi fan kamemu enu ti kame ho ne nyina fie ni konko hwade enfambra ne ba Ghpagetv
Nyanja ye nyanwie we Ghana ni na Ghana ye a sanko fo mu die so o me yakronfo ma meka bi nkyerɛ ma adwene o se Bediatuo onya stroke ana se owu we owu nyina no oda ho sign contract onye ni papa enti Ghana ne yete no se bi papa anya hwe abone anya hwe se Bediatuo owu a onchen omo yebo mu to election 2020 no enti ande ogina TV so na watoto share team akoduru kon ho e de se gay ni bia utira Somalia na wonim kwasasem nyansasem bia nka nkyerɛ ya Bediatuo ne nkwan enchen omo yebo mu to 2020 no enti mo amugina Joy News ne san kwase akeka no Bediatuo is not any spectacular human being only special. He's any human being yinimu no sani yeku nipa bi 2020 elections no na ye bi ma e bi kununum Bediatuo so ene wu a e wo se nipa bi bose efiri se omo na oman no kyekere e hye nsa omo na omo make sure se saa nyoma no ensi enti Bediatuo wu a problem ben so o enya wu na se nipa ni na se obewu a problem ben ene wom Bediatuo nchen obi a nyankopɔ kora na de akyɛ no so oku ni ntam to twene also oku ekufuado to twene oku den Bank of Ghana Addison to twene also oku kanofuriata to twene also oku sankwasiafo we nyina to twene adan omo chen omo mu 2020 elections nana da bi Kofi Juma say osan yankopon ku to twene da wenya ace e na wasabetena radio so kan kwasesa menwumbre ye bedwum ama Ghana Valley 12 o'clock their party they are frustrated and John Dramani Mahama consistently seen there for the past 8 years. The NPP as a political party, they have not been able to raise one statement and say John Dramani Mahama contradicted himself. Obian to be Kebi, because he's a seasoned politician. So a seasoned politician, Okasa Odin kan jene. On say a politician. There are people who have gone through the process to become seasoned politicians. In the Sani Panikasa, so man opportunity so kasa or my crowd no exciting to the point obeka sembia debi no ntumi yano, and that is what Bawumia is suffering from. Bawumia is not a seasoned politician. Bawumia is a comedian who was packaged as an economist and now wanting to become a president. And sometimes people say na Bawumia I don't know why yes I will stage preko no win intrana. No, it is because he does not understand what he's doing. And until date, you cannot find anyone on social media, wherever or traditional TV or radio, saying this is the statement of John Mahama, and they waka say a contradicting Unyobia or Ghana, because se nipa ni nimdia oye any ejumana odina, that person is always consistent, and the moment that person is speaking, no, because it's about human relations, it's about trust, it's about being consistent in your delivery and what you promise. And into ha hardly do I do because asemi amaka wo hebia a factual. It is a person mesako police asem ne ba make me catch team say they should pull the same tape or tell you to go and fact check me. It is the consistency and how you basically respect the people listening to you. And into be sitting there I know between we say hey aka 60 days ni akoto aba ene enhu hwi election e koso no the reason why ene enhu hwi ne say no defeat atro. People cannot lie and walk just like that again. You got what I mean? People cannot just walk. People cannot just sit on TV, on radio, and walk and talk and walk. No, because journalists know too when you go through. So I can't someone on the TV, so another radio, so I want. And recently I saw a video of a Black Rasta, and the respect I have for Black Rasta, I have his phone number. I talked to him. I used to carry his shows on my TV. But I feel, the level of respect young people like us, we have for people like Black Rasta, no? We expect them to do better when they get the opportunity to speak on national issues. Because there's no way I will sit here and make up stories against Black Rasta. Abraham Minim said Black Rasta has an integrity to protect. He has some family to protect. He has something he has built that I cannot just destroy. So when I sit here to speak about Black Rasta, and even when I see a story about Black Rasta, what I will do is say, I need to fact check it first before I speak on it. And somebody like Black Rasta will be able to say, at a point he was a lecturer ochradie onim the left from the right. You don't expect Black Rasta to come sit on radio and start saying things that he has not verified. It's bad. And it gives room for people to come and just say anything to you. Recently, me say Black Rasta kasa Mahama say, Tama Mahama ye president, Mahama ka say, or a dead goat, ain't he? And when I heard Black Rasta say that, I said, no, you have read wide. You are seen as somebody who knows the streets and somebody who is an intellectual. Majority of the people respect you for you, at the end of the day, fact checking your things before you say. John Mahama never stood anywhere else to say, or a dead goat into the second channel. You will not, because you Black Rasta, you've learned grammar, you know, figurative statement, you know, whatever speeches, you know. And Mahama did not even make that emphatic statement. Go check the video, check the context before you speak on your show. And that is what we are all expecting you people sitting on radio and TV to do. People sitting on radio lie.
Within a mafia, Papa,
was already so champion nasma da workers nana radio wasoma video no eno eni twagu ya yenya di eni kokoshe bi de eba ye mogire se wate ase ntu betimi ache wadwen de afa ho de amamani e be che wadwen ma comment section na fin so share video no ema wonu bi ensa entumi enkabi no like de amame boa ema adwuma no so etumi etumpo midin ena na akua kunadu sika panya mishwa Sabrina bi na mo se madaje na mo hwe Ghana info bekram